Warning: note that this cable is not an ordinary HDMI cable. This is specifically for connecting a device with an HDMI connector to another device equipped with a single-link DVI connector typically found on PCs, projectors and older video equipment before the HDMI standard became widespread. These cables cannot carry audio. Voltage rating 30 volts and temperature rating 80 degrees Celsius. They carry video signals only. If you're looking for a high-speed HDMI cable or a standard HDMI cable to connect equipment with HDMI. Ferrite cores are small magnetic blocks wrapped around the end of a cable. They are used to suppress ME, RFI electronic noise on the cable by absorbing the unwanted high frequencies and dissipating them as very low-level heat. This is the simplest and cheapest form of electronic noise reduction and is most effective on small-gauge cabling, which is inherently more susceptible to electronic noise interference than thicker cables. This cable is capable of the following HDMI video features: 1080p resolution. The high-speed HDMI cable has sufficient bandwidth to transfer 1080p video signals between 1080p rated source and sync display devices. Top reviews from the United States. I know it's only a cable, but it works perfect. So I needed it to add a third screen to my desktop setup, and all I had was a DVI connector while my third screen had only DP and HDMI connection. Well, it works exactly as intended. Love it.